Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make lemon pudding cake. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a large bowl, add in the sugar and flour and whisk them together until they're combined. Then add in the lemon zest, lemon juice, and melted butter, and whisk them together until they're combined. Then separate the eggs, placing the yolks into a small bowl and the whites into a medium bowl. Set aside the egg whites for now. Then add the milk in with the egg yolks and whisk them together until they're combined. And add it into the rest of the mixture and whisk them until they're combined. And then set it aside for now. Then whip the egg whites until they form stiff peaks. Then add it into the rest of the mixture and fold it in gently until it's just combined. Then grease a 9-inch square baking pan with nonstick cooking spray. And pour the batter into the pan. And place it onto a baking sheet. And then place it into the oven. And pour hot water onto the baking sheet. Then bake it for about 40 to 45 minutes or until the top turns a light golden brown color and the toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. And once it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for about 10 minutes. And you can serve it while it's still warm if you like. And that's how to make lemon pudding cake. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.